Hello everyone. In this video, we studied about the layers. We know that whenever there is a project, there is requirement of different aspect or different sections of that particular project. Suppose we take the building. So in building, we know that there are very first the walls, then sometime center line will be there, then doors will be there, then windows are there, then lettering is there, then dimensions are there. Most of time electrical fitting will be there, foundation plan is there, then column and beam plan is there, sometime section, elevation, all these things we need to display, and sometime furnitures will be required. In that case, if we draw all the things in at one place, there will be very congested drawing, or it not read properly. And if we draw the same thing at in one layer, it is not proper. And sometimes suppose we have to give the print for only wall, or sometime only for the foundation plan, then it is very difficult to choose all these different aspects. So here, how we'll manage all these things, that we can manage with the layers. So how work with the layers? So very first you select the format and go in the layer. So once you go in the layer, here software give two default layers, but if we want to generate here new layers, so go here and click on new layers. So once you click here, then here very first, suppose we want to draw the building, then take very first, that is the wall, then wall, double enter here, then it will be generated here. You can change the color of that layer, you can give the print options, print on or off, you can change the line type also, and here from this point we can on or off the layers, we can lock the layers, we can show the layers. Okay, so here we can make a different layer. Suppose this is for wall, then for the door we take a second layer, double enter, then for window, so window, double click, then we can give the foundation plan. So foundation, double enter, then electric. So in this way we can generate the different layers, and then close it from here. Once we select or we generate new layers, this all the list will be displayed at this point. Before that, only two layers list here. So suppose we want to start with the wall, so select first wall layer, then take the wall. Suppose we take a very simple figure here, take the wall. Okay, and suppose from the offset we take the offset of 0.23, and so from this one we take wall. Okay, then after that we choose the second layer, suppose window. So here window, and from this we can take the windows anywhere randomly, or a window of 1 meter, offset 1 meter, enter here. This is window of 1 meter, and we know that the shape of window will be this, so we take the shape of window. So this will be the window, and we can copy all these windows at different point. So copy, take here, or window, then copy window. So here we copy from this base point and then rotate the window from here. So rotate in 90 degree, and so take copy this one also and take it at different locations. So this will be the window. Then suppose next layer is the door, so we take the door here. So this will be the door, suppose from this point to this point, and suppose the door size will be of 1.2 meter from the offset, 1.2 enter, so 1.2. then here we can cut it, and from this, suppose door of 1.2 enter, and then here we can take the arc of this door, enter, and here we know that offset of 0.2. so here we take, then cut it this unnecessarily part, cut, join this line. So this is the door. Then suppose we take the dimensions in default points. So these suppose we take the dimensions linear, suppose from this point to this point, suppose again from this point to this point. Okay, then suppose for the electrical purpose we take electrical. Suppose we draw some fans figure here, copy it. So from before that copying, we can draw some so this is the shape of fan randomly. So choose it, copy it, and copy this fan shape at different locations, and then suppose there will be some tube lights. Suppose there will be one tube light, this is tube light, then tube light. Okay, and suppose these have some different colors, we can change color from here. So fan color will be different. Then suppose foundation, here we on the foundation, and here we take the shape of foundation. So we can make some figure here for the foundation. So copy this figure and copy from the center point. Then we can take this figure at these different locations. this is a random figure, so we want to just take here, and then suppose in 0 layer we take the text. So here we take the text, suppose. So that will be the suppose column C1, then this is too large, but we can take it accordingly, 0.5. so C1, so copy this text and we can take it at different location. So in this way we'll get all the text column number here. So once we show this figure, then we'll get total conjunctions. Okay, we can't get clear-cut idea. Suppose you show this drawing anyone new person or anyone else, you can't specify each and everything, or you get confused. So here, to avoid all these things, what we have to do? We have to just go here and press all the layers off from here. Okay, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off. Okay, and current layer will not be off, you remember that, and you can select your current layer also. So here in 0 we take the only the names. Okay, so it is only here. Okay, and here if we require only the foundation, so only we can on the foundation will get the foundation here. Suppose instead of this we only require the walls, then only open the walls, we get the walls here only. And suppose we require the doors, then we can here display the doors. Okay, and most of time if we have to not require changes whenever we do any work with this any particular layers, in that case we can lock that layer, it get lock. Okay, and whenever if we on all these layers but we work with anything, then most of layers get lock, and the lock layers are not change anything. Okay, so here most of time the lock layer displayed. Suppose we click on this one. Okay, foundation layer, if which layer is lock here, suppose foundation layer lock, and if we do something with this one, so here automatically this lock symbol will get displayed here whenever we select that particular layer. Okay, here that symbol will be displayed. So that is the beauty of layers. We can't change in that particular layers. Okay, and suppose I want to change the color of any layer. Suppose the foundation layer color I want to change, then I go here in foundation, I open it and I click on the color, and I suppose I choose the different color from here. Okay, and all the color of means we need not to choose each and every object in that color, we directly select that color of the layers, it will be changed in entire layer. So we can delete the layer. Suppose there are unnecessary layers, we can delete. So go in format layers, and you can select it. Suppose I don't want window, then select it and cut it, so it will be deleted. Okay, and entire work get deleted. So remember this one. So suppose you do the work in that in case of print, you can select the options. So all these things are here. In your print some part is missing, that is only the questions of the layers on and off. So do the settings properly. And this will be the assignment. After this video you have to draw this figure in layers, different layers, foundation plan also. Thank you.